Now coming to 6, number is divisible by 2 and 3. Then the number is divisible by 6. Suppose if a number I am taking 24. So since the last digit is 4, I can say it is divisible by 2. Now for 3 we need to know what is that. 4 plus 2. What is 4 plus 2? That is 6. 6 is divisible by 3? Yes. One is it should be divisible by 2 and the other is it should be divisible by 3. For 2 it is divisible because last digit is 4, and for 3 I need to do, means what I need to do, 2 plus 4. What is 2 plus 4? 6. 6 is divisible by 3. That means this number is divisible by 3. So if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then that number is divisible by 6. Now for 8. For 8, we need to check the last 3 digits of a number. Last 3 digit of a number. I have to check last 3 digit of a number. If the last 3 digit of a number is divisible by 8, then the whole number will be divisible by 8. Suppose the number is, I am taking such a number. So if I say that last 3 digit of a number is divisible by 8, then the whole number will be divisible by 8. Or if the last 3 digits of a number are 0, that means suppose I am taking 1000, a number, last 3 digits are 0. Here last 3 digits are 8, 8 and 8. So last 3 digit will be divisible by 8. See why? 8, 8, 8. If I divide it by 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8. So last 3 digits are divisible by 8. So I can show you, we can show you that this whole number will be divisible by 8. How? Let's check. 8 into 3, 24. So what is the remainder here? 68. 64. So 48. 48. So this number is divisible by 8. And for 1000, if I see 8. 8 ones are 8, 20, 16, 40, here's a 5, 40. So I can say if the last 3 digits of a number is divisible by 8, this number is divisible by 8, then the whole number will be divisible by 8. If the last 3 digits of a number is 0, then here last 3 digits of a number are 0, then it is divisible by 8. Now coming to 9, for 9 also it's similar like 3. I have to add all the digits of a number. Suppose I am taking 3, 6 and 9, a number. So I have to add all the 3 digits of a number. That means 3 plus 6 plus 9. If the number is divisible by 9, then it is also divisible by 9. So what is this? 9 plus 3, 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 is divisible by 9? Yes, 18 is divisible by 9. So this number will also be divisible by 9. Let me show you. 9 is 4, 36. So we came to know if by adding all the digits of a number is divisible by 9. After adding these 3 digits of a number, we found 18. So if 18 is divisible by 9, then this whole number will be divisible by 9. Now coming to how can we tell that a number is divisible by 10 or not? So a number is said to be divisible by 10 if the last digit of a number is 0. If any number, suppose 110, it will be divisible by 10 because the last digit of a number is 0. If I take 100, last digit of a number is 0, then that number will be divisible by 10. Let me show you. Suppose 10. Now coming to test of divisibility for 11. What we need to do, I have to take the odd place number, means here what are the odd place number, means ones place, these plus this, and even place number. I have to add these all, odd place number and even place number. So what is this? Suppose here 2 plus 4 plus 3, and what is even place numbers here? 3 plus 6. From right hand side I am taking even place numbers. So this is 6 plus 3 is 9. And here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 9. Both are 9. The difference between these two values are either 0 or a multiple of 11 then the number is divisible by 11. Here it is 0, so it should be divisible by 11. Let's check. Suppose here 2, 3, 4, 6 and 3 I have taken 11. 11 into 2, 22. So 14, 11 ones are 11, 3, 36, 11 is 3, 33, so remaining 3, 33. So it's clear to you, means here from right hand side I will do all the odd place values I will add and all the even place values I will add, and if the difference between these two is either 0 or the multiple of 11, then the number is said to be divisible by 11. Now this is all about our test of divisibility. Coprime, if 1 is the only common factor between two numbers, if 1 is the only common factor, suppose if I take two numbers, that is 3 and suppose 8. So let's check what are the factors of 3. Factors of 3 are 1 and 3 because this is a prime number. Now factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So what are the common factors of 3 and 8? 1 is the only common factor of 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 are called coprime numbers. So if 1 is the only common factor of two numbers, then that two numbers are called coprime numbers. Now coming to factorization. Factorization and prime factorization. Factorization is expressing the number as a product of its factors. Suppose if I take a number 12. So how can I express it? 1 into 12 is 12. Then 2 into 6 is 12, then 3 into 4 is 12. So these are the expressing of numbers as the product of factors. So 12 I can express it like 1 into 12, or I can write 2 into 6, or I can write 3 into 4. So this is called factorization. And what is prime factorization? Prime factorization means all the factors should be a prime number. See here 12, is it prime? No. So this is not a prime factorization. Here it is 6. Is it prime? No. This is also not prime. 6 is not a prime number. So this is not prime factorization. 4. Is it prime? No. This is also not prime. So this is also not prime factorization. So what is prime factorization of 12? How can I do that? So see, 4 I can write 2 into 2 and 3 is 3 there. So this is prime factorization. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3 is 12. If all the factors are prime numbers, then this factorization is called prime factorization. And these all are called only factorization. These are factorization. But this is called prime factorization because all the factors are prime. This is prime factorization. All the numbers should be prime. So there are many ways. So if I take a number 24, so how can I do? Suppose I can write here in a tree method. If I say how to prime factorize this, 12 into 2 is 24. So 2 into 12 is 24. Can I multiply it? It can be multiplied with 1 and 2. So let it be like that. Now 12 what can I write? 3 into 4, 12. Now 4 also is not a prime number. I can write 2 into 2 is 4. So what is 24? 24 will be equal to, how many 2's are there? Here 1, 2, here this 12 I will not take. Why? 12 I have parted it like 3 and 4, and 4 I have parted it 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this is prime factorization of 24. Now multiply it. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 8. 8 into 3 is 24. So this is prime factorization. Now highest common factor. What is this? H.C.F is called as highest common factor. So we all know what are the factors. Is the exact divisor of that number, and I need the highest common factor between two numbers, two or more numbers. Suppose if I take two numbers, 8, one number is 8 and the other is 12. So here I need to find out what are the factors of 8. What are the factors of 8? Factors of 8 are 8 and 12. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are the factors. So I need the highest common factor. So how will you find out? See, 1 is the common factor both cases. Here 2 is the common factor also. 4 is the common factor. So which is the highest common factor? So common factors of 8 and 12 are 1, 2 and 4. Now which one is the highest? 4 is the highest. So H.C.F will be 4. Other way, how can we find? This is if I write in a prime factorization way, means 8 can be written as, in a prime factorization, how can we write 8? 2 into 4 is 8. So 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2 is 8. This is prime factorization of 8. Now for 12, what is that? 2 into 6 is 12. What is 6? 2 into 3. So 2 into 3. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3 is 12. So here I can take common factors are factors equal to, here see, 2 is there, again one more 2, here there is no common. So 2 into 2, that is 4. So this is HCF. HCF is equal to 2 into 2. So this is the other way we can find HCF of a number. Now coming to LCM. What is LCM? LCM stands for lowest common multiple. Earlier we did for factors, now this is multiples. You know, same if I take 8 and 12, the same example. What is the lowest common multiple of 8 and 12? If I ask you, so how will you find out? So the multiples of 8, what will you write? Multiples of 8 are 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 are 3 24, 8 are 4 32, 40, it will go on. And multiples of 12 are 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 5, 60, it will go on. Now let me see which is the common lowest multiple. So first it is coming 8, there is no 8, 16, no 16, then 24, here it is 24, here it is 12, there is no 12. So this is the common multiple. So lowest common multiple, the lowest one. So this is 24 is the lowest one. So this is the LCM. This is LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. This is one way of doing. If I find out the multiples of 8 and multiples of 12, then the lowest one I can take it as LCM, lowest common multiple. Now the other way, in a prime factorization method, if I do it, what is 8? 2 into 2 into 2. Now what is 12? 12 means 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. This is prime factorization way. So what will be the LCM? Therefore, LCM will be, I have to take the maximum numbers here. See, here how many 2's are there? Here 3 2's, but here 2 2's are there. So I will take the maximum one. So 3 2's will be there. And here 1 3 is there. There is no 3. So only 1 3 will come. So if I multiply it, so what will be this? 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 3, 24. So this is the LCM of 8 and 12, and this way is called prime factorization method. And this is, I have to need the common multiple method, means multiples. I have to find out first the multiples and then take out the smallest, lowest common multiple. Hi friends, I have one more video for these definitions. If you have any doubt, you can go through that video, and the link is given in the description. Thank you.